Hey guys, it's been a while. Been off for a month for various reasons. But I'm making it work tonight, and today we're going to do an unboxing because I ordered this box of paints, I don't know, 2 months ago, and I don't remember what I ordered, so it's going to be exciting for you and me. Alright, here we go. This is Jerry's Artorama. I use them quite often. They have a lot of sales. Fortunately, they do this weird thing with their boxes, so it's almost impossible to get them open without ripping them all apart. I mean, I guess they're really sturdy, but if you can't open them... Alright, here we go. Liquitex Basics White, which appears to have been opened. Awesome. Leaked a little bit. Lid's not on right. Hopefully it's not all dry. Yep, spilled everywhere. Liquitex Basics Light Green Permanent. It's a little bit more fun than just this dark green that I have. It is the acrylic phthalo green. That's what I have been using. Light Green Permanent. And we've got Liquitex Basics Ultramarine Blue, which I had the acrylic Ultramarine Blue, which looks a little bit different. A little bit of a different shade there. Whatever, it'll be fun. And then I've got Liquitex Basics Copper. Just a little bit of it. I'm not a huge fan of the copper, but I think it'd be nice in some of them. I usually like to use gold. Oh! This is canvases. 8x10 canvases. That'd be nice. I'm running out of smaller canvases. Forgot about those. Alright, there we go. Unboxed. Well, I'll have to go through and make them so I can mix them up with Floetrol, which is what I mix them with. The Floetrol Flood and some water. For the basics, I'll do a 3-part Floetrol, 2 parts paint, and then 1 part water. And that seems to be a good mix for them because they're a little bit thicker. Alright, there we go. Unboxed. Super fun. Let's start painting in the next video.